mean, divorce is a really personal and private thing, and most families who are going through that experience don't want the details of it to be made public in any way. The issue is that there's an increasing drive in the family courts for the procedure and the process of the family court to be made more public, and that includes the media being able to attend hearings, but also some judgments being published.
We understand that privacy in divorce is a key aspect. This is clearly a very personal matter for you, and so there's a range of options in which we can protect your privacy. One aspect is if you go through the court proceedings, then you can seek orders from the court, specifically a transparency order, which would protect private information such as the names of children, potentially the names of a couple.
Ideally, you don't go anywhere near the court doors. We spend a lot of time advising clients on how to navigate the process in a way that means that they don't have to go to court, and that the dispute that exists is resolved in a much more private setting and completely confidentially.
A different alternative outside of the court arena is, for example, mediation, arbitration, or a private financial dispute resolution, or with his very own model, which is uncouple. And a key advantage with all of these, aside from having more control over the process of dispute resolution, is to be able to protect your privacy.
There's lots of ways we can manage the risks when you're going through a divorce. I mean, there are obviously out-of-court procedures that you can use. There's alternative dispute resolution, which our team are very adept at dealing with, but if you end up going down the court route and there's no other option and litigation is the only way forward, there are still things we can do in terms of interacting with the press, making sure they've got the right documents, making sure those documents are redacted, making sure there's nothing too private, too personal in those documents. They're all things that we have a lot of experience dealing with on a day-to-day basis.
You're not at all powerless to protect your private information, and there are a number of steps that we can take that will help make sure that your private information stays private.